My name is Professor Nicholas Wheeler, and I'm Director of the Institute for Conflict Cooperation and Security and Professor of International Relations at the University of Birmingham. I've been researching for several decades now the challenge of how to build trust between states with enemy relations. The fundamental problem that I've been grappling with during my academic career is the problem of what is known as the security dilemma. The security dilemma is the fundamental and inescapable uncertainty that confronts state leaders about the intentions of others. Those with the capability to harm us, we have to know what are the intentions of those leaders. I argue that the way to provide assurances for leaders as to the intentions of others is to develop trust between those leaders. I develop a new theory of interpersonal trust in my book that's published next month by Oxford University Press, Trusting Enemies, Interpersonal Relationships in International Conflict. The importance of this type of theory and the crucial significance for developing trust in international relations in the 21st century can be seen by looking at the standoff between Donald Trump and Kim Jong-un over the Korean Peninsula. There, what we see is a complete absence of trust, fear, suspicion, and the risks of nuclear conflict.